In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain you already own through GoDaddy using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to the settings area where your domain options are available. Once you're there, look for the domain section or the link related to domain setup. This is the place where you can connect an existing web address to your site or service. If you have multiple settings categories, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area before moving on, since domain tools are usually grouped separately from general account settings. When you find the domain setup option, choose the setting that says Use a domain I own. This tells the platform that you're not buying a new domain here, but instead connecting one that you've already registered elsewhere. After selecting that option, type in your domain name carefully. Be sure to enter it exactly as it's registered, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. Next, click Connect Domain. At this point, you'll usually be asked to confirm who your domain host is. From the list of providers, select GoDaddy. This step is important because it allows the platform to use the correct connection method for your registrar and makes the setup process much easier. After that, click the Automated Configuration button. This will launch a pop-up window and begin the guided login process. If the pop-up doesn't appear right away, make sure Chrome isn't blocking it, since browser pop-up settings can sometimes interrupt this part of the setup. Inside the pop-up, you'll be taken to GoDaddy's secure login interface. Here, sign in and complete any identity verification steps requested. Depending on your account security settings, you may need to confirm your login through additional prompts or verification tabs. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the authentication process so the connection can continue. Once your identity has been verified, review the authorization request and click Accept. This gives permission for the automated configuration tool to make the necessary adjustments to your domain settings on your behalf. That typically includes updating records so your domain points to the correct destination without you having to edit anything manually. After you approve the changes, give the system a little time to finish the setup. In many cases, the connection starts working quickly, but full domain updates can sometimes take a bit longer to fully apply. And that's it. You've connected your existing GoDaddy domain using the automated setup process in Chrome.